All right, homies. This is how you can rebuild the top end or take it apart. I don't know how to rebuild it. We'll just take it apart. The top end on an RM125, so we're super good at that. Okay. So what you have to do first is take the seat and the gas tank off, and yeah, and then you have to take the exhaust off. So we already took the screw out, so just slides right off of there and put it in the pile of cancer. What? Alright, so a good tactic to not lose your bolts is just thread them back in where they go. So just
What threads, bud?
this bolt's actually good. Like the ones on your dirt bike.
Oh my god! Oh, baby, it's triple! Oh.
Not my dirt bike.
Your dirt bike, dirt. This one just dropped the third clip. That's all. Alright, now you need to pop the expansion chamber off. We already did that. There's springs on there. Just pop the springs off and it just comes out of there.
Bud, you just dropped an expansion chamber.
No, I didn't. Also, these also make really good horns. So if you want to play the song of my people, just clean the oil off of it. Hang on. Let me just clean it off. And then okay. Okay. And then just that's the song of my people. I probably have a black ring in my mouth now.
Yes.
Put that there.
The Black Plague.
Is it on my mouth? No, really. All right. So just put that expansion chamber next to the Yamaha Collapster.
Gotta burn
All
that,
right.
bud.
Now you want to take your sketchy spark plug boot off. That doesn't really work. So just pop that off.
I'm gonna go burn the
and just yeah, put that there. Now you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have your 6 head bolts that you need to take off of there. No, that's not gonna work. Don't do that. This one right here goes right here. Very, very good. Just thread all your bolts back where you go, so you don't have to keep track of them. It's easy. All right. Now you have your 6 head bolts. So what you're gonna want to do is get a ratchet and let me do this. It's a adapter boy. Put that on there, and then I need the right size, which is maybe this one. Bingo! All right, perfect size. What do you think you're doing? Get out of here!
What are you doing in my soul?
All right, so now you just get out of here. All right, now you just bring it nice and close so we can listen to the crisp. Nice and close. Pretty quiet. Just that was a crispy one. So now you want to take them off in a pattern where you just cross from each other. Oh, what in tarnation? Did that come off of there?
Oh, you broke it.
You can't say that. All right. Now this one. Pause it down.
Practice taking that piston out.
All right. So now this one right here. This one. Just gotta make sure they're all. Oops. They're all loose.
Whoa! Shut it down.
Shut up! It's wobbly. All right. Now we're all lazy. Now you can use the drill.
No, I think you're only lazy.
Your mom get.
No, you.
Cool. Now, while he's doing that, I'm gonna take one of these bad boys. And come down here, and there's little boys down here, 3 on each side. One of them's a real little boy, and the other ones are not so little boys. So now we're just loose. No, it's definitely not the stack. Wait, what? Incarnation? Is that one not even tight? What's the wrong side?
There you
go.
Oh, here, bye.
Oh, here, thanks. Why is that the wrong side?
Bye.
Okay, so you don't organize them. That's good.
There you go.
Thanks, bud. So now we gotta pop these loose while he's doing that, just so he can be speedy. These got real loose.
Shut it down! It's already shut down.
Yeah, it's not gonna be running.
Just like this YouTube channel.
This engine, I've taken it apart before. I know it has it drops a circuit, so the cylinder's real messed up. But yeah, did you take the head off now?
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
Oh, no, we're not sponsored by these people. But if you want to, you can.
Yeah, we have 30 subscribers.
Yeah, we're like the Podunk YouTube channel. It's called the Embrace.
Take these and do the other side because I've got them loose enough to do my fingers.
Let me talk to somebody. Swing. Dude, who was never mind.
This is a family-friendly channel.
Who all subscribe to your YouTube channel, bud?
Your mom.
No, you.
No, you.
No, you.
No, you.
You
Wait, did you already do this one?
What?
Because this one was barely on there.
Welcome to Sketchy Off-Road, boys.
What bolt?
Maybe that's why it wouldn't.
Oh, Owen, I never tightened those bolts. Owen wants to kill himself now.
These are on the right time, bud.
Oh, that explains a lot.
Oh, I think the gasket maker sealed it up enough to see if it would work or not.
Oh, let's just make a whole
There's
cylinder
what?
out of gasket maker, bud.
Hmm?
So let's make a whole new cylinder out of gasket maker.
Yep.
That would be me.
Oh, wait. Hey, Andrew, can you go get me a Phillips so I can take the card boot off? So you got your 3 bolts down here, 3 bolts on the other side, which hold your cylinder, your jug and stuff on. And you need to take your carb off to do that. So, okay. I'm going to take this one off just so I can get it off of there. Because I'm going to have to get this board out.
You left me in
Please stop. This is a family-friendly YouTube channel.
Maisie deserves it.
red.
It's not going to come off yet. That's alright. We got alright. See if I can pry that thingy off. Oh yeah. Alright, so here's your carburetor. It does the good stuff.
It gives it the suck.
Kind of actually, yeah. It sucks air in.
And shoots it right up.
No. Okay. I just. Okay. Got that off there. Just let it dangle. You got your side good, bud?
No, it's a little stuck, bud.
It's a little stuck. Are you going the right way?
Yeah. It won't go the other way.
So.
Use a torque wrench to torque that bolt off.
You can't get one in there.
That's the wrong way. I felt it.
Right.
Wow, you just needed some turbo strength up in here. Rub my hip off.
Like a turbo fan, blow all those farts out of here.
Who freaking trapped
God, you just see your eyes.
Put the helmet back on.
Dude, he looks like Caillou with his helmet on.
Don't put the phone over there. I'll stop that. Oh, it's leaking!
Whoa!
Alright, boys. Now we're ready to take the cylinder head off. This is just how easy it is to rebuild a two-stroke. So now you just, first you can take the head off. And, what is that? It's clapped. It's all wet inside. That's not good. Alright, so cylinder head is nice and clapped. Now let's pull the jug off. Yes. Wait. Let's check our. Let's check our clearances.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
We gotta dump a gallon of Marvel Mystery Oil on there so she fires.
Is it gonna fire?
So she has enough compression back.
All right, boys. Let's listen to our cylinder clearances. Get the microphone. Get nice and close.
I had to adjust my valve clearance.
Shut it down. It's clapped. Okay, now it's just it's stuck. Okay. I gotta pry it off. You hear that noise? What? What? No? Okay. Look, you hear that good noise? Get it nice and close again. Just listen to that noise. Alright, that's a good one. Now you gotta lift the other side and just listen to that good noise again.
Alright, these are excited.
Okay, now let's just
Oh my god.
Okay. I don't think the reeds are supposed to be like that.
What reed? Well, they probably got sucked inside the cylinder.
That's probably why it's clapped.
Wait a second.
The reeds are right here, dude. They're still sitting inside the engine. Wait, move the piston to the other side. Boom.
What the heck? It
Bye.
looks like it broke. No, the reeds just really broke.
Dude, they broke.
Did they?
Yeah, look, they're in half.
Or this, no.
No, there's two reeds. Oh wait, yeah, the reeds did break the.
What the fudge?
Please don't drop that down in there.
Bye.
Where's the other one? That's our problem right there. Our reeds broke.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and there you go, guys. Don't get RM125 because of clap.
Okay. Well, looks like.
You gotta do the old peelaroo.
Yeah.
That's why it's not running. Right?
Yeah, because the reeds broke.
Yep.
So if we put new ones on, you think it'll run? Barely.
It needs definitely some TLC.
I don't know if I can find RM125 reeds anymore.
From
Guess you gotta scrap
1979.
it. Guess you gotta make some out of tinfoil.
I'll have to look.
No, you should make some out of feeler gauges. That would be mint.
Yeah, that's really weird how the reeds just blew up. Well, boys, that's what happens when your arm's clapped out. It does that kind of stuff. Yeah, I think this is all we're gonna do right now because the reeds are clapped and that's why it wasn't running.
We gotta bore the cylinder out, so that's why we took it off.
Yeah, we were gonna take it off because it needs bored out, but now I need new reeds, which is another expense, which I don't have money for. But yeah, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I'll get money from Matt. But if you want to buy a nice blaster when it's fixed, hit me up. All right, guys. Well, it's later in the day, and we were just passing up the Suzuki place, and they actually have reeds. I'm so surprised that they have reeds that'll fit that. I also got these. And a super expensive air filter. I don't know why it's expensive stuff. So, what we're going to do is install these onto the reed block, and then we'll get back to you. Alright, we got the reeds installed on the bottom of the cylinder. So now we're just gonna plop it on there and yeah, see what we got going on. Alright guys, this is the most advanced technique on how to start a clapped out RM125. It
No,
has
open it.
open it wide open.
Go.
Whoa! Fire it up!
Why is it being gear?
You just
Is it
walk
in
by.
gear? Take it out of gear.
Kick.
Kick it! Oh. Oh.
No, we're at a starting point. Let's go again.
Put more in there. Wide open.
Hey, help me again. Oh, wide open.
That's enough. We're doing that. Oh!
Where's the pipe back?
Or try to choke. Try to choke her. It was choked. What's wrong with you?
Get the pipe.
Get the starter pop. Where's the starter pop? No. That's a bad idea.
Open her up.
Okay.
I gotta use the pipe.
I need the starting pop. Alright, boys and girls, this is the most efficient technique on how to start a dirt bike with no compression. You use the starter pipe. And you
Now-
just
What? Now you just get the blowtorch
Uh-oh.
and
It's on fire. Stop. That's enough. We're gonna die. Nope, that's enough.
hot
No!
down. Start up it back. Put this in my warm it up.
Okay, yep. We're posting this on my YouTube channel. Let's stop. Alright, let's say you start it.
Go wide open. Go wide open. Alright, go wide open.
Oh! Oh! You kick it.
It's not gonna start.
Yes, it will. You just have to believe.
Believe that lap.
No.
Did my bike?
Are we giving
Can
up?
we please bump
Get it! Get it!
Are we giving up?
And a clap, there's
It's
clap.
flat.
We giving up, boys and girls? No.
Oh! Hey, Mark.
No. No, we're putting this away. No, let's. No. Oh, okay. No. 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 Boys and girls, the new reeds work. It just still needs bump started, but it actually runs good. So, Captain, why don't you show us how it's done? Or, you know, I'll do it. Just hold on. Got to get my safety equipment on. I get the safety equipment to stay safe. Perfect. Put that in here. Hop over it.